In this video, I'm going to show you how you can purchase Amazon Prime Video to enjoy watching great shows using this streaming website. To get started, search for Amazon Prime on your browser. If you already have an account, just log in with your email address and your password. If you are a new user, select Sign Up for Prime and then click Create your Amazon account. Type in your first and last name, and here you have the option to choose either your mobile number or your email instead for verification. And then type in your desired password. And when you're done, click Create your Amazon account. For further verification, you will be asked to solve a simple puzzle to protect your account. And then check your email or your phone if you have been sent the one-time password. Enter the one-time password and then click Verify. You're gonna have to add your desired payment method. You can choose digital wallets such as GCash, PayMaya, and ShopeePay, or you can choose your credit or debit cards and fill in the necessary details below. And when you're done, just click Add Digital Wallet or Add your card. The next step is you're going to select the country where you are in. And in this tutorial, we're going to select the Philippines. If you have selected your desired payment method, click Continue. Confirm if your details are correct, and then click Sign Up and Pay. On your Amazon account, click Prime, scroll down, and here you can see the options to choose your plan. If you are a new Amazon Prime user, there is an option to avail a 30-day free trial. And after a month, you're gonna have to pay $14.99 per month. But there are other options for your Amazon Prime plan. There is Prime Monthly, which is $14.99 per month, $139 for 1 year, $7.49 if you are 18 to 24 years old or a student, and $6.99 per month if you are a qualified government assistance recipient. The main benefits of having an Amazon Prime account includes free shipping, unlimited media streaming, and exclusive shopping discounts. Amazon Prime Video enables you to stream lots of great shows and movies at an affordable price.